Today's video I'm going to talk about the cheap welder, the $150 TIG welder that I got. I've had a bunch of people ask questions. When I first posted the video, the company ended up actually running out of stock of them. I don't know if they're still out of stock or they're back ordered or whatever, but however many they had, they just went in an instant. Now you can still buy them, but they're not $150 anymore. I think they're like $180. They've raised the price naturally with more demand. The 180 is still a hell of a buy. They actually have a little bit bigger machine. This is a 160 amp. They actually have a 200 amp. I think it's right at like 200 bucks. And I haven't seen them ever go out of stock, so it might be just, if people are looking for one, it might be better just to jump up to the 200 amp. Anyways, I'm a full month in since I did the review. Been using it constantly. Haven't had any problems at all. Been just more than happy pretty much every day since. Haven't had any issues at all. I'm getting a lot better with it, obviously, with the certain controls and just getting used to using it. I'm going to do a couple little welds on some stuff that I'm working on anyway, but just to show you how well it's still rolling out and how well it's still doing. I was going to say something else, but I forgot what it was. Fuck it, let's go. Stupid fucking idiot. Shit! Why would you do that, you dumb fuck? We're a month in and it still works perfect. And I still chuckle about it every time.